The Johnson 99-026K Rotary Laser is an excellent choice for both beginners and those working on small residential projects, thanks to its user-friendly self-leveling feature in the horizontal plane. It comes equipped with a reliable safety alarm system that provides visual and audible alerts when the device is out of its leveling range, ensuring accuracy and safety during operation. This versatile tool is suitable for a wide range of applications, including setting foundations, aligning walls, and leveling deck floors, making it a valuable asset for various construction tasks. The Rotary Laser offers adjustable rotational speeds between 200 and 600 revolutions per minute, allowing users to optimize visibility based on their specific needs. Included in the comprehensive kit are essential accessories such as a rechargeable battery pack, a tripod, a grade rod, and a hard-shell carrying case, which enhance the overall convenience and portability of the product. With features like a locking compensator and a 90-degree split beam, the Johnson 99-026K ensures precise alignment work and protects its internal mechanisms during transport.